Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys our new Kinky straight headband wig. As we know, the pandemic is getting worse again, so we're gonna need those pandemic hairstyles. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the wig. As you can see, the texture is Kinky straight. It has the Velcro straps for you to secure the wig. It also has combs on the inside. So I'm gonna put it on and I'm just gonna style it so that you guys can see what all you can do with it. Okay, so I'm going to put the wig on and I'm going to connect those Velcro straps in the back, and I also use the comb that's in the back as well. And this first style, I'm going to use this cute headband. It is going to be the classic way to wear this wig. Just down with a cute headband to make it pop. And voila, easy peasy. Check out this texture. It is everything. So the next style is going to prove to be my favorite. It is going to be a half up, half down. So I'm just separating and taking half of the hair so that I can put it up into a ponytail. And for the ponytail, I'm just using a regular elastic bow, not the one that has the metal, but just the regular black ones. You can get them from Walmart or your beauty supply store. So yes, this is definitely my favorite way to wear this wig. I love how it looks in this style. So now I'm going to put the hair in a low ponytail, and we are going to do like this little side piece number right here. I'm putting it to the side and then I'm going to twist it. I think I like this one too. It's cute and simple and very easy to do when you're just getting ready to go out the door. So now I am brushing the hair all the way up because I'm going to do a high ponytail next. So I'm using my vent brush because that's the best brush to use for a wig. And if you haven't noticed, I have switched my headband because when doing a high ponytail with a headband wig, you will need to use a wider headband so that you can make sure that the wig is hidden once you get it all into a ponytail. I really like this look. I think it would be good to wear if you're going to the gym. You won't have to worry about the hair being in your face or anything. So next I'm going to keep my ponytail and I'm going to twist it again, and we're going to make a cute little bun just to give the ponytail a different look. All right, you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. One of the things that I really like about the headband wigs is, one, they look so natural. They have just enough hair. It's not too much, it's not too little, and it still looks full and natural. And you can also do so many styles with these headband wigs. Like, really, I shock myself sometimes when I pull them up and I look at them and I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks so good. And like I said, the texture is spot on. There will be no blending issues. I mean, it's just the best, especially if we may have to go back to rolling things back with restrictions as far as quarantining. So this is good, this is easy, literally takes a few minutes to put on and style. Again, thank you for watching and see you for the next one.